Chapter 23, experimental designs. This chapter is also very important. For example, BSC statistics part 2 is separations are very important. Basic principles are very important. Next portion, this is a local control, the complete randomized design. It's also very important. For example, BSC statistics part definitions, its medicals are very important. Next, advantage and disadvantage are also very important. For example, BSC statistics part 2. And next up is here, randomized complete block design. This topic is also very important for exams of BSC statistics part 2. The advantage resources also are very latent scale design. Three-way is also very important for exams of BSC statistics part 2. And next step is here, advantage is also very important. Now on an exercise, now go to exercise. Question 23.4b part is also very important for exams. So BSC statistics part 2, 23.11 for 2 way is also very important for exams. So 2022. And next step is here. The 23.22 latent scale, the 23.33 is also very important for exams. So BSC statistics part 2.